Independence Day speech by telling you the entire history how India got the independence from British. Yeah, by this time, I believe many of you is already aware. I believe Rachel is sitting somewhere here. She should be knowing the entire history of India by this time because she's been listening this from last how many years? 15 years? 15 years. Yeah. Right. So instead, today I'm going to share some interesting facts about India. Yeah, interesting facts. Maybe some of the facts is not known to some of the Indians around here. I'll try to make it as quick as possible. I know it's extremely hot. So India is the second largest nation in terms of the population. We have 1.4 billion population in India. India is expected to beat China by end of 2030, and our men are working really hard to get there as early as possible. India has the most number of vegetarians. India has 38% of population are vegetarians. You know KFC, right? You all know KFC? Yes. Right? Yes. So KFC has to introduce a vegetarian menu just to please vegetarians in India. Can you imagine a vegetarian KFC? Have you seen that before? No. You will see it in India, yeah? Then, India has the most number of tiger population. We have nearly 3,682 tigers in India. That is the 75% of population of tigers in the entire world. So we have the most number of tigers in India. The snakes and ladders. You know snakes and ladders game, right? Yes. The most popular indoor game. It comes from India, dated back in 2nd century BC. So it has a long history, snakes and ladders. How many have you played snakes and ladders? Many, right? Yes. India stands for its third most number of billionaires. We have lots of billionaires in India. Do you know how many billionaires we have? More than 150 billionaires in India. So highest number, the third number actually. Perhaps the one who are not billionaires is working out of India. Some of us are here working in Seychelles. There is an interesting fact actually. There is a mysterious hill in India, place called as Ladakh. You know Ladakh, right? The most beautiful place in India. There is a mysterious hill. This hill called as Anti-Gravity Hill. You can Google it. If you go up to this mountain, you go with a car, you park your car and you put it on a neutral mode and you just leave it as it is, and you will be surprised. The car will move automatically by itself at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. By its own, yeah. So it has a magnetic powers actually. So there is a specific location for this. You can Google it. You will find more information about this mysterious hill which is located in Ladakh in India. India is the second largest nation, and when it comes to speaking English, not the Britain guys. Yeah, United States standing at number 1, and India is standing at number 2 by English-speaking people. The first rocket which was launched from India back in '96 said to be transported by a bicycle. Yeah, so the rocket transported by a bicycle from where it got manufactured to the space center by a bicycle, and later it got launched to the space. Imagine the rocket transported by a bicycle and reaching it to the space, which I didn't know as well. I just researched yesterday. It came to me as a surprise as well. Do you all know this? Anyone? No, right? Yes. The number of people travel in Indian railways, in Indian trains, in a day is equal to the population of Australia. The entire population of Australia is equal to the number of people who travel in Indian railways. And Indian railways has the most number of employment in the entire world. And there is the most visited temple in India. Do you know the name? Most visited temple, Tirupati. The most visited place.
Tirupati Balaji.
Golden Temple.
Golden Temple, Amritsar. You know, right? How many of you have visited Amritsar, Golden Temple? This place feeds daily 100,000 people for free. That is equivalent to the population of Seychelles. It's a big number, yeah? It's for free as well. Daily 100,000 people goes there and they get a free meal every single day. There is a strange attraction in India as well. There is a temple for rats. This temple called as
करनी माता.
Karni Mata temple, you're right, Mrs. Samshay. Karni Mata temple, here the rats are worshipped as a god. It's a strange fact about India. And India also has a biggest family. There is a gentleman called as Mr. Gion Achana. He's got 39 wives. To handle one is already very difficult, and he's got 39. And he is the head of family of 181 members with 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-laws, and 33 grandchildren. Guys, it's a big family, yeah? The biggest family in the entire world. There is a state in India called as Madhya Pradesh. Yeah, there is one village. Here, the policeman gets a salary hike by growing moustache. You grow moustache, you get a salary hike. Mr. Samshay was trying hard for this, by the way. Yeah? You grow moustache, you get paid for this. Then yoga, you all know, it has begun in India back 5,000 years ago. Yeah. Lastly, not least, actually, the divorce percentage in India is just 1%, the lowest in the entire world. Divorce percentage. If you compare to any other city, any other country in the world, it's very minimum. It's just 1%. We really take care of our wives. As you know, the happy wife is a happy family, right? So the list could go longer and longer, but with this I conclude the list actually. But thank you for joining once again. We do have a special meal prepared this afternoon, and we also have a Bollywood movie night later in the evening as well. So please do come and join our celebrations. Thank you once again. I wish you a happy Independence Day to all my brothers and sisters from the media. Let's take one lady, my wife is standing there. So happy Independence Day, guys. Jai Hind.